Look at these Veg Hakka noodles. Smoky, glossy, and packed with flavors. Let's make this street style classic at home. Start by boiling a pot of water and add your noodles and cook them till they are almost done. Slightly undercooked is perfect. Keep checking. Overcooking will turn them mushy, and we want that perfect bite. Once ready, immediately strain the noodles and transfer them into a wide plate. Drizzle a little oil and gently spread them out. Let them cool and air dry. This step is important so the noodles don't stick and stay separate while stir frying. While the noodles are cooling down, let's prepare the vegetables. Here I have taken one carrot and I'm slicing it into thin strips. Followed by some cabbage. While slicing the cabbage, remove the core, separate and press it down so it is easier to slice. And for that vibrant color, I'm adding some red cabbage. Totally optional, but it elevates the look. Thinly slice one whole onion so they cook quickly and blend perfectly into the noodles. Next, slice the capsicum into even strips. This keeps the texture consistent and gives the perfect bite every time. While slicing the capsicum, make sure you remove the white part as it adds a bitter taste. And slice into thin juliennes. And finally, some spring onion greens. Once all our vegetables are prepped, cooking the noodles will just take about 2 minutes. Now heat a wok till it is smoking hot. Add 2 tablespoons of oil, followed by some sliced onions and capsicum. Stir fry quickly and keep the flame on high. This high heat is the key to authentic Indo-Chinese flavor. That little char, that smoky aroma, that gives the Hakka noodles its signature taste. Add your cabbage and carrot and toss for about a minute. Keep the vegetable crunchy, not soft. Add a splash of vinegar Now add the boiled noodles, a quick toss, and season with some salt to taste, white pepper, Aromat powder or MSG, totally optional, and a touch of soya sauce. Toss everything together on high heat. Quick and continuous movement is the key. Add some spring onion greens. Give it one final toss for a few seconds, and that's it. Veg Hakka noodles are ready to be served. Serve with some Schezwan sauce. I've already shared a restaurant style Schezwan sauce recipe on my channel. Please do check it out. If you like this video, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching.